are you guys doing? Unbox with me this package. Let's unbox it together. Let's unbox this package together, guys. I tell you the better thing. I just print, you know, the water I ordered with what I got. What is this? Wait, let's check. Ah, wow. This one is for my baby. I love this. Perfect. Okay. This one is okay. Oh, this one, let's see, 4 pieces. Yeah, other people don't do me a job. Other people don't give me a way. But this trouser, guys, what is this? I saw 4 pieces. But now they bring 1 pieces. I don't understand. 1 pieces. Okay. This one is okay. Oh, light is line. I make I know like I know the 4 foot. So what they bring? One for newborn baby. You know the line for foot. Although I don't buy that one a gift. That's question a gift. This one. I don't pay for this one. And this one is also okay. This one is okay. This one has fresh to wash me. This one also a gift. I don't pay for this one. $0. Wow. See the made. Wow. This one that's fine. Oh my favorite. This one that's now down. But I got 2018. All those people, their matter are different. Not 24, I ordered before. Wow, I love this. I put it inside of this. But the shoe big shop. Okay. This one this side. Make sure that I don't change things when I order. I don't change some for this side. All those online people, their matter guys don't guys. Wow, I love this. Wow, perfect. This one is for mommy. Okay, you see the shoe. This one is brand, guys. And it's okay, perfect. I love it. The quality now, guys. This one. Okay. This one is for winter. For in case one carry children go school before. Let me do this one. Let me say big dish. Who know I like this more? But I don't trust all those people. Then they always change things when I buy. So I don't like online things. Let me say I look like. And it's not strong. So why do you have for them? It's strong. It's okay, but not strong rich. Right? It's manageable. That will be okay. Like that one has $0 also. I'm not buying. $0. This one. Let's try this one. This one also, I see bra. This one for type B. In case you want to wear open back. You see, the back not today. And just only this rope. Maybe you want to wear clothes open for back. No. Sexy. I love this one also. It's okay. Another sandals on my princess. Now only this my princess on your 4 foot. Oh, this one's small. What did they do? This one at 24 before. But it's small. Excuse me, guys. Wait. Let me test it. Guys, excuse me. I all go check the shoe. I go test them. So the shoe is okay. It says them. But now only this summer. She'll feel wear. Which one is this one? Oh wow. This one, no. This video don't be long, bro. Don't be long more than the way I think. This one is for phone. To hold phone. Maybe you want to do video. Oh, this is not long ago. Which kind of this thing is this one? It's not long at all. How they put it? Well, my fair leave, I never know. I can't check them. Then fix them. I can't fix them later. Maybe you want to do video now. You hang your phone put. You dey inside bed. Or maybe they cook for kitchen. You hang and put for kitchen cabinet. So that you'll see the video. No. Those people. Now what for now? 6 spoon. Mamma mia. This spoon too small, no. Anyway, this one is for newborn baby now. Now for newborn baby. No wonder this spoon cheap. Guys. I'm not going to use this. This one too small. They're too small for my children. No. This is not fair at all. Now to do this one. Let's take it there. Okay. This one is perfect. Let me see. This one many pieces there too. See what they break. This one won't break. Come. You see, 6 pieces before, one don't break. Not strong at all. Well, it's manageable to cut hair. If I want to do my baby hair, let's see the cut some. Okay, which one is this? This one are for room. Where do they fit for wardrobe? Scent. Where they say hey, the worst. Now this one you can wash fast for everything. This one not mash. It not mash at all. This one with that spoon. This one and that spoon. The two know you're good. See plate. Even for snacks, to eat snacks, it's too small for children to eat snacks. Maybe I'll return this thing, No. If you return it. But what is this? What am I going to do with that? Finish. Alright guys, see you guys on my next video. That is all. This one not follow. These two. No, not be waiting I think. What I ordered versus what I got. Like these two be. They don't follow at all. Oh my gosh. Bye.